This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, Smokin Ham. I need to preface this recipe by saying it does not fall into my usual category of quick and easy meals. It has just a few ingredients, but this bitch takes a week just to prep and a day to smoke. This bitch needs constant love and attention and is the very definition of high maintenance. Is this bitch worth it? Yes, she is. Thankfully for me, my hipster loves a high maintenance bitch and smoking meat. If you serve ham in addition to or in lieu of turkey on Thanksgiving Day, you need to get on this and get the party started. You have to be able to purchase a fresh or green ham. Look out, Dr. Seuss, this ain't no green eggs. A green ham hasn't been smoked yet. It's basically the pork leg. We had to go to our Dutch market butcher and order it. Again, this bitch ain't easy. She worth it. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic. Okay?
This is a culmination of a week's worth of work. Can't wait to try it. It's juicy. Oh, that was really good. Better than any ham I've ever had in the store. I hit through smoke with that killer glaze my lovely wife made. Can't wait to share it with the rest of the family.
I want some.
Soon enough. Hey everybody, let's eat.